how to fix new blue screen error on your Windows computer. So you just need to follow me. So simply what you have to do, you just need to go to advanced recovery option, and after that here you just need to click on command prompt, and after that, after open command prompt, also you can use save mode and open CMD, and after that put this command which is called del space then c//windows then /system32. If you are unable to find, then you can use a tab key from your keyboard, then type drivers and / then CrowdStrike folder. After /CrowdStrike, you just need to type C, then tab. Then here you will get this file name called C-0000291. So you just need to change the name to, after name you just need to put star. Okay, so you just need to put over here star before .sys. Now press enter from your keyboard, and after that you just need to reboot your PC, means restart your PC, and it will fix your problem. So here you just need to click on turn off, and after that you just need to restart your PC.